First ride in 4.5 months for me. I've been riding about 10 years now, and this is the longest I've been off the dirt bike. So I got off work early today and I decided why not. We're supposed to have some real bad weather roll in again tomorrow. So I'm at Cedar Creek. As you can see, the gate is closed. So I'm by myself because this was literally a last minute thing. So I got to be careful, but yeah, it should be interesting because I've literally done nothing all winter long. Last couple years, I've been really good about working out and being on my program. This past year, I have done nothing. I did buy a dirt bike, or a mountain bike, and I've been riding that the past 3 weeks. But other than that, I'm pretty out of shape. I guarantee you I'm out of dirt bike shape. So one good thing about Cedar Creek is my first place to ride this year. It's real easy. It's a double track. It's wide. The deep sand should help my legs, you know, get my legs in condition. And yeah, it's just the easiest place I have to ride. So and I'm alone, like I think I said that already. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So wish me luck. First ride of 2026. Look at that dirt. All right, so I'm gonna do the north loop, like I said in the beginning of my video, because look at this dirt. This is one good place, or this is one good thing about this place in the beginning of the year. The sand is so deep it holds water really good. So yeah, and also being the first ride of the year, we got to watch out for trees. So see how it goes. A lot different than my mountain bike. All right, this is the one thing about springtime. Look at this hero dirt. Oh man, it's so good. Looks so good, feels so good, it almost makes you want to taste a bite. Not really. But yeah, conditions are perfect. It's March something, March 10th, 11th. All the snow's gone, even though we might get more later this week. We'll see. But super hard winter this year in Michigan, so it's kind of cool to see all the snow gone already. All right, here we go. We're back at it after 4.5 months. You've seen one video, you've seen them all. But no, on the way to the trail, I kind of thought that I was gonna not really forget how to ride, but I thought I was gonna be really awkward on the bike. And actually, right away, I felt like I had just rode the day before, to be honest with you, even after 4.5 months. But the one thing that I obviously did notice is the conditioning was absolutely terrible. Because like I said in the beginning of the video, I haven't really been doing much physically. So within the first, like, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes, my legs were burning and, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, all in all, it was fun. Like I said, also in the beginning of the video, we had a brutal winter, so it was good to finally get out and ride. About halfway through this trail, you know, I stopped and kind of did some shots with my phone of like me riding by and stuff, which was kind of in the beginning. And then when I was doing that, a guy named Scott came riding along, and he stopped. We started talking, and we ended up just riding together for the rest of the trail, which was pretty cool. So even on a random Tuesday in the middle of March, you still are always going to meet a like-minded individual, and that was really cool. So after this, well, after a few more clips of me riding, I'm going to actually roll in one of me following him for like a section, and then maybe I might put in some more of me after that. But other than that, it's just a regular trail riding video like always, and yeah, just watch however much you guys want, and we'll see you guys out on the trail soon after this third winter that's coming here in Michigan. So alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Can't beat that traction, boy. Woo! 3 minutes in and my legs are burning. Oh boy. Alright, even on a Tuesday, man, you're gonna meet somebody out in the woods. Dirt bikers just find each other. Oh, I smell he's running clots. I can smell it. Just told me his name and I forgot it already. I'm so freaking bad with names. I think he said Scott. I said, hey, can I follow you if you don't mind? Ooh, we got a mess in here, huh? Bad idea. Let me see if I can go around real quick. bit of snow. All right, cool. What was your name again?
Scott.
Scott, that's what I thought. Yeah. Cool, man. Nice meeting you. Thanks for riding with me.
Man.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You ever go in the Michigan Motorcycle Trail Riders page on Facebook?
That might be one of them. I'm on a bunch of them.
Okay. Yeah, I'll probably post a couple pictures and stuff later today, but
right on.
Cool, man.
Hell yeah.
All right.
All right, man. Be safe.
Yeah, you too. Run into each other again.